Hi guys, today is yet another unboxing day. Today we are doing this beautiful piece, Recon Quartz wall clock, model number 2951. This piece is 34 centimeters in diameter. It is a mid-sized clock, unlike the ones we have done before, which were big at 40 plus centimeters diameter. This piece comes in two colors, silver and gold. This is where the model number is indicated, and that is the color. The next one is golden ivory. So let's go ahead and unbox. This is the silver piece. That is how it looks. This is the back side. It has a cover for the battery area. And that is where the battery sits. We remove this plastic chip that makes the battery not run out, and see how it operates. That's how it works. Let's now go to the next one, the golden one. That's the piece. Look at this. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow as we do another piece. Bye.